The Israelites had nearly reached the promised land. God spoke to Moses, giving him clear instructions about the boundaries of the land each tribe would receive. God appointed Eleazar the priest and Joshua son of Nun to help divide the land. One leader from each tribe would assist them. The Levites, however, were given no large territory. Instead, God gave them 48 cities scattered among the tribes, 6 of which were special, cities of refuge. These cities were safe havens for those who accidentally killed someone. They could flee there and be protected until a fair trial could take place. God emphasized the importance of justice. No ransom could replace justice for a murderer, but those who acted accidentally had a place of mercy. Finally, a concern came up about daughters who inherited land. What if they married into other tribes? Their land would pass to another tribe. To prevent this, God commanded that women who inherited land must marry within their own tribe. This way, each tribe would keep its portion forever. And so, with laws for justice, inheritance, and mercy in place, the Israelites stood ready to enter the land God had promised.